Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Diane and I'd like to welcome you all here today. If you're new, and I'm getting a little tongue-tied because we all know Diane gets tongue-tied. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and like and hit the notification bell and all those good things. That way you can know when we're going to be making another video. Yay, yay, yay. And now you're gone because she's, oh, that lady's crazy. Anyway, so today we are going to be doing something from BH Cosmetics, which is new for our channel. And I was online and I ordered a lot. But one of the things that just came out like this week is a palette from BH Cosmetics called the Opulent palette, which is $18. Now, that is an amazing price. You know, it's like pretty awesome. So the palette in total is 28 grams. And let's push this back a little. There you go. I think you guys can see that, yeah? It's pretty, eh? It's a little neutrally, but it's got a lot of pearlescent and a lot of shimmers and a few mattes. And not a lot of mattes, but there is a few, and you can definitely make a lot of looks out of this, especially for summer, which is coming. So like you know what I'm saying, right? You can see the summery aspect of this, the not bright. So what we're going to do is, obviously I have my face partially done. And so I will do some swatches, and I'm going to try something new on the swatches because I always find they are cumbersome and they take a long time. So I'm going to go off camera, put them on, and then tell you the names as we go along the arm, down the arm, whatever we do on the arm, we're gonna do it. So I will be right back. Okie dokie, I'm back. I won't be obviously announcing it every time, but this is the first time I've ever done this, so I'm a little discombobulated. Okie dokie. So as you can see, I swatched them. I swatched all the colors. We're going from top to bottom. The first one is Flutter, then Dainty, Captivating, Lovely, Charm, and Dreamer. Now on to the second row. Okay, now for the second row, we have, going from top to bottom, we have a pinky mauve called Bright, I would say matte called Alluring. The third one is Opaline. The next one, which is obviously a shimmer, is Dazzle. Then we have Gorgeous and Grace. These are nice, actually. I'm definitely gonna go with it. And I'm just wondering if I even said the right word. It's the Opalescent palette. Did I say opulence? I don't remember to the beginning and oh crap, whatever. It's the Opalescent palette. Now on to the third row. I think sometimes I show my age, but you guys don't tell anybody that I forgot if I did it correctly or did it incorrectly. Okay, the swatches are done for the third row, and we will hold that up for you. Hopefully you can see them all. I hope so. The first one is Twilight, which is a very lilac-y, beautiful color. Then we have Magic, kind of a goldy, shimmery, beautiful color called Star. Then we have Fling, Romance, and Delight, which is like a peachy shimmer. I actually like Delight a lot. I was delightfully surprised. Very cute. Okay, now on to the last row. There we go. We have Vivacious, Vavavoom. We have Wish, Stunner, Sequin, Opulent, and Mystic. I find the last two actually look almost exactly the same, if I'm being honest. Kind of happened in the second row too. Like a lot of these browns and neutrals, they tend to sort of, I don't know what you guys think. There's not a great variation in the browns as far as color difference, but especially the bottom two. I mean, there's a difference, but it's not a huge difference. So now that we've got that on, I figured what we would do is make a look out of it. Because we all know how good Diane is at making looks, right? Okay, so what should we do with it? Transition color. Ding, 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 ding. Let's see. I think we'll go with that very, very pale flitter up in this corner there. I really need to get myself set up a little better than this. You know what I mean? That doesn't go on too bad. So this palette does come with a mirror, which is actually pretty awesome for the price as well. And it's kind of like cardboard, but it's nice actually. I'm kind of pretty happy with the construction as far as, you know, all of that goes. Now, what color should we go with? We've done purple in the past. I don't think we've ever done a straight up neutral beige brown color, so why don't we do that today? So we'll go with this one. Let's get a different brush because that would be silly. Different brush. Now let's go in our crease with this one. Okay, let's. It's the one thing about getting older, you get all the wrinkles in there and then it's hard to get the eyeshadow not to like leave little lines there. It's not a good thing getting older, ladies and gentlemen. But that doesn't mean you can't put on makeup and enjoy yourself and have fun. Being older just means that you're different, that you have to adjust to differences, just like when you're young. Okay, I do not mind that at all. Yes, I'm a subtle kind of girl. We've discussed this before. Okay, so let Diane get a different brush. And I think we will go with this color right there. Didn't I say that that was kind of similar? Why don't we go with this one? Because it's definitely different. You know? So I don't know about you all, but my son's outside shoveling right now because, yeah, we still have a lot of snow. It's so frustrating because it's like, it's March 1st today when I'm filming this, and isn't it done yet? Oh, see, it's getting caught in those wrinkly things again. Okay. I am right in front of you, aren't I? Oh. Eye wrinkles, go away, go away. Okay, and then with my finger, because that's just how I roll, man. That's just how I roll. We're going with Star. And we're going to put that baby right there. And yes, we will be blending that in because, you know, that could look really frightening if we didn't. Because, you know. My eyelids is dry. I really should have put on some primer, but I totes forgot. So, you know, we're going back in with that first brush that we used, and then we're just going to kind of blend that out a little bit. Okay, let's see. Oh, I did it again. I do not want you to see all my ridiculousness. That is cute for a subtle look. So what I'm going to do is go off, put on the mascara and the eyeliner and all those pretty things, and then I'll be back. 1 minute. Okay, and this is the finished product. I guess I should explain why I don't do eyeliner wings because I have like some wrinkles right here, and when I try to do them, they fold up into the wrinkles and then it just looks like a disaster. Even though there's an actual wing there, it doesn't look like a wing. So we just don't really bother. And I'm definitely better with my eyeliner when I'm not on camera. I think I get a little bit nervous. So this is the Opalescent palette from BH Cosmetics, and I just flashed you hard. I'm so sorry. And there's that. They do blend. They do go on nice. They're not extremely highly pigmented. I tried to add more after, and it builds, but it's definitely not like, woo, pigmented. The price is amazing. The service is amazing. Like, I got it really fast, and I'm in Canada, and I delivered it from United States, which I think it comes from LA, and it got to my house in 2 days. So, and I didn't pay special, you know, delivery or anything. It just came really fast. So does this palette have my recommendation? Absolutely. Still got the little swatches there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I'm going to be tacky forever. Don't forget to check out the Discord. I've been adding some family photos to the Instagram. And the reason I'm doing that is we are not flashy. Now, am I going to say that maybe Madison might not ever do a flashy picture? It's a possibility, but I'm not actually, I hate photoshopping. I actually hate it. I hate it a lot. And you would think I would like it because I'm old, but I actually don't. I think we're all beautiful as we are. And if we want to make ourselves more colorful, that's what makeup is. Makeup is not meant to hide who you are. It's meant to enhance who you are. And when you Photoshop, you're hiding who you are. You're faking who you really are. And I hate it. So our photos are not going to be Photoshopped. So some of them will be a little blurry. They'll be off color. And like I said, there may be in the future a few that are touched but not Photoshopped. I will not let her get skinnier. I will not let her take off acne or any of those things because I don't see the point. She's beautiful as is. So there's that. So check out the Instagram. That was a long spiel for that. You guys are so fantastic and awesome. And every day I read your messages and you encourage me to keep going. And I'm having the time of my life with all of you. I love you all. I can't wait to see you again. Bye.